nasa nadama ko yung impact ni Tita Gloria. Unang-una po, when I was about 7 years old, maybe, itinanghal po si Gloria Romero after her long stint as an extra, as a beat player. Finally, dumating yung solo starring role niya after Palasic. And her leading man was my father, Oscar Moreno. So, ang first experience ko beholding her was when I went to the set for the shooting. At talaga naman at my age of 7, napanganga po ako talaga sa kanyang ganda. And more importantly, the radiance that she exuded sa kanyang katauhan. Marami pong magaganda pero hindi po nagraradiate yung kalooban nila. But in the case of Tita Gloria, there was beauty from within as well. Pangalawa po, some 10 years ago, I was 70 and she was 80. Kinuha po kami para sa isang commercial. It was for a wellness product. So, at our ages, pinagbihis po kami ng parang jogging outfits or gym outfits. And hiyang-hiya po ako sa mga bilbil ko. Kasi si Tita Glo, naka-gym outfit, walang-wala po niyan. I had all the flaps and at her age, she was just so svelte. At ang nipis ng katawan niya. And more importantly, nung pinagawa po kami ng commercial, that being a wellness product, pina-jogging po kami. Of course, after a few steps, humihingal na ako si Tita Glo, hindi rin. And pinagawa po kami ng mga yoga poses. Hindi po ako makairal sa mga yoga poses, but she could stretch so easily. That was a rather funny but fun experience. And lastly, kami po nila, Tita ni Pempe, ni Nova, Tita Susan when she was alive, si Pupito, very active po kami doon sa samahan ng Balik Samahan na inumpisahan po nila at ngayon po ay pinamumunuan ni sensor ko, Nilani Mercado, na senior moment ako, and Nadia Montenegro. Every year po dun sa Balik Samahan, meron po kaming advocacy, meron po kaming charity work, pero hindi po naman kami mga pasinaya, mga party. Very important, meron po kaming retreat na si Lourdes nag-attend. And Tita Gloria was one of the supporters of that retreat. So in the last retreat that she attended, hindi ko po makalimutan, after the last homily and after the final blessing after the Mass, magkatabi kami ng Tita Gloria. Bagong kasal po ako with my second marriage. Kapatid po ni Pempe, si Attorney King Rodrigo. After that, very much like a mother in her typical loving, sincere, and motherly way. Sabi niya sa akin, Rose, not many people have that blessing that you have with King, the blessing of from a God of second chances, the blessing of a marriage that is almost made in heaven. So sabi niya, alagaan mo yung marriage na yun. Pareho po kaming byuda nung kakilala kami. Isa po ito sa aming matchmaker. Thank you, Pepe. And so, talagang naantig po ang damdamin ko, especially knowing that at some point, she had her own sufferings in her marriage. So, thank you, Tita Glo, for those words. I will always remember them. Thank you for being a role model, not only to me, but to many of us here in showbiz. Maraming salamat. Hindi ko po alam kung at the age of 80, I'll be turning 80 in 2 days. Hindi ko po alam kung gaano katagal ba yung biyahe ko. How many more years I will be blessed with. But with your example, I have learned to live in the moment, to seize the day.